Good evening, folks. I'm forecaster James Fowler here for your 11 o'clock update. Flooding rains for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night as a big system, that same cyclonic system over the Midwest, will bring rain for our area. That system's bringing severe thunderstorms to much of the Great Lakes and the Midwest, including blizzard conditions for other areas. A 50-50 weekend and dry and mild for next week as well. Take a look now at the almanac for today. Our high was plus 5 degrees. The average is 4 degrees, so right around average. The record high is 10. We did not make it up there. Some areas did get up to 8 and 9 degrees, though, in some of the warmest spots. The low today, minus 1. The average low, minus 4. And the record low, minus 16. And we had no rain today. Current conditions right now in Yarmouth, it is 1 degree. Dew point minus 1. Humidity at 90%. Winds from the south 9, gusting at 18 kilometers per hour. And we have barometric pressure of 1,025.96 millibars, indicating that the high pressure is still fairly over the area. A closer look at tomorrow's forecast. 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, look at that pretty sunny skies, 2 degrees. We'll see winds at the south 30 kilometers per hour. By noontime, we should be able to see a few drizzle and showers moving into the air ahead of that system. Winds will eventually increase a little more, still from the south at 40 kilometers per hour. Temperatures really taking a boost, so at 8 degrees. And by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, that's when we'll start to see the moderate rainfall begin to arrive. Winds increasing a little more to 50 kilometers per hour, and temperatures continue to climb into the double digits. Alright, let's take a look now at the radar, where that rain is. Here it is, that big system. Very heavy rain and thunderstorms. When you see the dark oranges and reds, that indicates the potential for hail and some very strong thunderstorms. That's moving over parts of Ontario, from London to Owen Sound and Barrie, down towards North Bay, Valdeola, Quebec, London, Sarnia, Cleveland, Ohio, Columbus, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Rochester, New York. Parts of those areas also seeing some very strong thunderstorms and heavy rain. This is what will be in our neck of the woods as we get into tomorrow night, and there's a good chance we could see some feisty thunderstorms even in our neck of the woods for tomorrow evening before it tapers off for early Sunday morning. Let's take a look now at the current conditions across the tri-counties. 1 degree right now in Yarmouth, 1 degree in Hebron, same with Plymouth and Cannon, Pembroke Shore, Sluice Point, Port Maitland, South Ohio, all at 1 degrees with light winds between 4 and 8 miles per hour. Looking at surface silence now, again, temperatures between really minus 1 and plus 1, probably go at 2 degrees under partly to mostly clear skies, and 1 degrees at the airport. Take a look now at the current conditions for Digby County. Very similar. Temperatures quite cool, but still mild for this time of year. 0 degrees in Plimpton, at Cassiaville, Port Wade at 1 degrees, Upper Clemens Park at 1 degrees, and for the surface silence, we are looking at temperatures between 0 and 2 degrees under partly to mostly cloudy skies. And at the airport, we see 1 degrees at Wire Island. And for Shelburne County, as we take a look there, it looks like surface silence is showing temperatures of around 0 to plus 2, so a fairly mild evening under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Alright, let's take a look at the futurecast now, taking us out over the next 48 hours, timing this system out. Here we are, high pressure over our area through tonight still. That will slowly move out overnight tonight into the morning hours tomorrow, but still close enough to keep us dry, but it will actually kind of press against the strong storm over Quebec. That means that the pressure gradient is going to be a little tighter, and that's where we're going to get those increasing winds. So you'll notice the winds really peaking between the morning and afternoon hours tomorrow, and just keep on rising between 80 and 100 kilometers per hour as we get into tomorrow night. As we get into the afternoon hours tomorrow, we'll see the clouds increase, showers finally moving over Maine and the Bay of Fundy as we get towards noon hour. By early afternoon, around 1 and 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see drizzle and light showers moving into the tri-counties. It's not until we get to about supper hour that we'll start to see some rain, and as you can see here, some yellow spots. That indicates the thunderstorms potential and some moderate to heavier rains. That continues to move in, and we'll see pockets of yellows here, yellows, oranges, and reds. Those are indicating potential thunderstorms, and that really moves up into the overnight hours. Between midnight and 4 a.m. tomorrow night is when we'll see the heaviest rain and the potential thunderstorms. That moves out by the time we get into early morning hours on your Saturday, but then we'll see clearing skies Saturday afternoon. A few showers will remain in the morning, but most of the day will be dry on Saturday, and then we'll see dry conditions on Sunday, with perhaps maybe a few flurries Sunday night into Monday as colder air reaches through. Take a look now at the better chance of some thunderstorms. This is using the European model. We'll time this out now. Friday evening at 6 o'clock, we'll see thunderstorms in Yarmouth and parts of Digby County. Some light thunderstorms, but then we get some pretty moderate thunderstorms here in Clark's Harbor to Shelburne as we get towards 8 and 9 o'clock tomorrow night. Thunderstorms still, though, in the Yarmouth area and Digby area as well. So between 6 p.m. and midnight tomorrow night is when we'll see the best chance for some thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms and heavy rain will begin to taper off and move out of the tri-counties as we get towards midnight into early Saturday morning as the rain begins to end. So a good chance of thunderstorms if you love thunder and lightning. Alright, let's take a look at the forecast now. Taking a look at the hourly forecast. Midnight tonight, partly clear skies and 1 degrees. By 3 o'clock, we're still looking at partly clear skies and freezing. Temperatures begin to rebound by early morning at 6 o'clock. Partly to mostly cloudy skies and 2 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies at 9 a.m. and 5 degrees. And by noon hour tomorrow, we'll see some drizzle and showers and temperatures of 8 degrees. If you're heading to school tomorrow, 7 a.m. at the bus stop, looking at 2 degrees under partly cloudy skies. By noon, showers and drizzle and 8 degrees. And by the home bell and on the bus out to home, you are looking at 10 degrees, a mild one, but you're also looking at showers and some periods of light rain as well. So for tonight, increasing clouds, -1 under partly to mostly cloudy skies, south winds 20 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, afternoon showers and rain, dry in the morning, 80% chance of precipitation in the afternoon, southwest winds 50 kilometers per hour, temperatures of 10 degrees. Dew points will be quite pleasant, right around double digits. We're getting to this time of year now. We'll start to see the dew point scale and the FRIZZ scale. 12 degrees for dew points, right around 10 and 12, which is pleasant. And the FRIZZ factor is at 12, as well as we see sleek here. For tomorrow night, heavy rain and thunder, windy, south winds 50 kilometers per hour, 7 degrees. Again, best chance for thunderstorms is between 6 p.m. and midnight tomorrow night. For the weekend, scattered showers for your Friday afternoon, and then we'll see showers in Saturday morning, otherwise dry in the afternoon. Temperatures of 10 and 9 degrees. Much cooler on Sunday behind that system. As northwest winds take over, we'll see temperatures drop down to Sunday at 1 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Biggest threats for this next system is the wind, the slick roads, and the heavy rain. That's the main highest threats. Very little to no threat at all for snow and sleet. Temperature tracker for the next 5 days shows the average is 4 degrees. Will be above average for tomorrow and Saturday as temperatures reach the double digits. But as we get that colder air moving in for Sunday, we'll see those temperatures linger right around average to slightly below average for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, with temperatures running around 3 and 4 degrees. We do warm it up though Wednesday and Thursday with sunshine. Mild temperatures do return though. Check it out, sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and temperatures rebounding nicely to beautiful 7 degrees by next Thursday. That's your Tri-County weather. I am James Falk. Have a great evening, and we'll see you back here on Monday.